Folks, let's talk about a common garden mystery. You work hard, plant, water, nurture, yet your plants look pale, leaves yellow, growth stunted, you've added compost, maybe even fertilizer, but still, your garden just limps along. The problem? It's not always about missing nutrients. Sometimes the nutrients are there, but your plants can't access them, like having a pantry full of food but no can opener. The real issue is the soil's biology. The microbes that unlock nutrients are missing or weak. Modern solutions push more chemicals, but that's a short-term fix that harms soil life and creates dependency. What your garden truly needs is a thriving community of bacteria and fungi. These microbes break down organic matter, making nutrients available to plants. When the soil's digestive system fails, plants go hungry, even in rich soil. It's a biological problem, not just a chemical one. To grow truly healthy plants, we need to feed the life in our soil, not just dump in more fertilizer. Reviving this underground ecosystem is the key to a vibrant, resilient garden. So, how do we wake up this hidden world? The answer is simpler than you think. Let's dig in. The secret? Unsulfured blackstrap molasses. This humble kitchen staple is pure energy for soil microbes. Molasses is a simple sugar that jumpstarts microbial activity, unlocking nutrients for your plants. It's also packed with minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Nature's multivitamin for your soil. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, molasses supports the whole ecosystem, not just the plants. Healthier soil means stronger, more resilient plants, and it's an investment in your garden's long-term vitality. Ready to try it? Here's how. Mix 1-2 tablespoons of unsulfured blackstrap molasses into a gallon of warm water. Stir until dissolved, then water your plant's root zones every 2-4 weeks during the growing season. For a foliar spray, use 1 tablespoon per gallon and mist the leaves. This feeds both plants and beneficial microbes on the surface. Add molasses to compost tea or drizzle diluted molasses over your compost pile to supercharge decomposition. Always use unsulfured molasses. Sulfur can harm soil life. This simple step fuels the natural engines of fertility in your garden. No fancy equipment, no complicated chemistry. Just a spoonful of molasses to wake up your soil. Let nature do the rest. Does it work? Absolutely. I've seen side-by-side beds, one with molasses, one without. The molasses-fed plants are greener, stronger, and more pest-resistant. Yields are higher, leaves are sweeter, and the soil teems with earthworms. Gardeners everywhere report bigger tomatoes, more vibrant flowers, and fewer diseases. It's a shift from chemical quick fixes to nurturing living soil. Try it yourself. Treat half your plants with molasses, leave the rest as a control, and watch the difference. You'll see healthier plants and a more resilient garden. Let's stop treating soil like dirt. Let's treat it as the living foundation of our gardens. Grab that jar of molasses and start your own experiment. Build your garden's health, one spoonful at a time.